Okay, so we're at Harry Lemon right now. I can't really talk much because the music's super loud and I'm right underneath a speaker. We're gonna get some like wings and stuff, food, and we're gonna celebrate because today was actually a really great day. And then yeah, I'll go home to wrap presents because I have to put a whole order in for my niece in Arizona and send it to her so she gets it right before Christmas. I need to become like Santa's little helper and wrap a bunch. So